Let's talk about different types of honing rods. We've got everything from, we classify this as a chromium honing rod, is the most traditional that you find around the world. A few maintenance and care that's required for these. What you can do is take a Lysol wipe regularly, wipe it down. If you don't have Lysol wipe, take just a paper towel. Vinegar will do. Vinegar will help degrease it, and you want to help keep that clean. The best test you can do to see if this is functioning, you can take any knife, paring knife, small pocket knife, and basically just put it in the groove at the top and let the gravity of the knife slide down the groove. If it stays in that groove all the way down to the bottom, you're good, you're golden, it's still functional. But if you're pulling down your knife and it falls out of the groove or won't stay in the groove, it's either clogged with grease over the years, so clean it, or it's simply just worn out. In that case, you need to replace this. Thus, we move on to the new generation of honing rods, and that is ceramic. Most commonly, you'll see they come in different colors, which indicate different grits. This happens to be a 1600 grit white fine ceramic. And why is ceramic superior than chromium? Because ceramic will never wear out in your lifetime. The new generation of ceramic also gets into what we call dual grit ceramic. The blue ceramic is an 800 grit ceramic. So if I want to restore the edge of my knife, I have that ability now with the dual grit ceramic. And it is also oval shaped. Oval shape gives it more surface area, so it's more efficient for sharpening versus traditional round shape. Another hybrid of the honing rods that has the ability to re-edge a knife would be your diamond steels. These are typically anywhere from a 600 to 800 grit diamond mesh, plated into nickel, plated onto steel or aluminum. And this is more of a device initially designed for butcher trade industry, where guys are working literally 8 hours a day just butchering, and they want something to bring up the edge very quick. Whether you're using a chromium, ceramic, or diamond, the principle is all the same. Angle, 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 maintain that proper 15-20 degree angle, and you can't go wrong.